How to delete CapCut account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can delete your CapCut account. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your CapCut application. Make sure that you have your account logged in. Click on Me option at the bottom of the screen. Again, click on the 3-dash line at the top right corner. Here you can see 3 different options. Click on the third option that says Manage Accounts. Now finally, in this screen you can see the Delete Account option at the bottom of the screen. Click on it. Again, tap on Continue. Finally, again click on I still want to delete my account option, and your account will be deactivated for 30 days. During 30 days, if you again log in into your account will be recovered. And if you don't log in into your account within the 30 days, then your account will be permanently deleted. So that's it. In this way, you can delete your CapCut account. I hope you guys understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.